Well, today didn't go quite as planned. The milking equipment I'm using is not working properly. Thrown it in a bucket, thrown it in the passenger seat. We're gonna take a road trip and go to Hamby Dairy. They are so amazing to work with. I don't know if I'll be brave enough to ask him if I can video, but we're gonna go to Hamby and we're gonna get all my inflations and everything replaced because they're old and it needs done, and I don't have an account online to remember which set I buy. So let's go on a road trip. Okay, the glass is dirty, but this is it. This is the place. It's kind of neat to see as you pull up some of the old tractors and trucks and things. It's really fun. Again, sorry, my windshield's dirty. We have the little train village. It's a lot of fun. Here it is. The current fermentation station. I was so excited. The cloves came in right away, so I was able to drop in a couple of those and add them into our beet kvass ferment. Guys, it's kind of hard when you try to do things one-handed. Seriously. Hi, it's Angela, the inquisitive farm wife. By the way, so glad that you're here with me as we do a little small garden harvest and a small preservation project. I'm just loving being part of the Every Bit Counts challenge. It really amazes, oh, my hand was on the microphone. Hope you could hear that. It amazes me how I don't feel like I've had very much time every day this month. It just seems like there's always so many other things that take precedence, but before you know it, 5-10 minutes actually does allow for a little bit of projects. So I'm going to switch your position, and together we can harvest some herbs and then we'll take them inside. Even though I need to harvest more than I plan to harvest today, I don't want to take off more than I can handle. There'll always be tomorrow. Okay, so my days are going to be all mixed up for this week because I just kind of did a little bit here and a little bit there, and then some things I ended up having to redo. So after we picked all of our herbs, I went downstairs and I washed them, and I'm hoping to have a video on how to freeze dry herbs come out separately, but here I've got my trays full. I'm getting ready to put them in the freeze dryer. I forgot about them. I had to do them twice, so it ended up being a several day project. But here I am actually making a extract. So I guess this week I'm working a lot on just maintaining my ferments and extracts, and that's really mostly all I got done. I mean, we had mowing to be done in the yard. We had, all kinds of things that needed tended to, other projects. So preserving was just kind of a maintenance kind of thing this week. And then, last week I went out and picked those elderberries, and I've got a honey ferment going with that, which that video comes out later. Promise, September. Anyway, so I had so many extra, I wanted to go ahead and freeze dry them. I put them all on one tray. Big mistake. So then I divided them out. So again, this pretty much, the freeze dryer was going all week long between the herbs and working with these elderberries that you'll see later. I have pictures of finishing this project.
Okay, day one of second round of ferment. Seems to be much more bubbly. We have had an explosion, so we're gonna move to a bigger jar.
Yeah, the elderberries got really excited and they outgrew their jar. So we moved it and we're shaking every day and keeping up with that and working on freeze drying them and getting them packaged up. It's been a process, people.